What's up, you guys? It's your girl and Samantha. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, definitely make sure that you hit the red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell because you don't want to miss any more pop-in hairstyles like this. But in today's video, you guys, I actually asked you guys how I should do my hair, and you guys said one, that I should use Curls Dynasty products, and two, that I should do a 3-strand twist out, which I've actually never done until this style, which I am absolutely loving. So shout out to you guys. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold you guys up any longer. I really do want you guys to see how I created this style from wash to finish. So if you guys would like to see that, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so before I do anything, I'm just gonna rinse my hair, and you guys can tell I have super low porosity hair because it takes forever for my hair to get fully saturated. But I'm just doing this to get out most of the product buildup before I go ahead and shampoo. Now I'm adding the Cocoa Mint Moisturizing shampoo, and the first ingredient is organic aloe juice. It has soybean oil, safflower oil, avocado oil, palm oil, sunflower oil, and organic coconut oil. The rest of the ingredients are honestly really great ingredients for your hair. I really like the fact that you can just apply it straight to your scalp and you don't need to put it in your hands first. This stuff lathers, you guys. It honestly felt like I had a conditioner in my hair. It was so moisturizing but had so much slip. Like, my hair felt amazing when I had this in. I just loved how it lathered and cleaned my hair and cleaned my scalp, and I just really liked it, and I definitely am going to add this to my favorite shampoo list. As you guys can see though, I definitely added a little bit too much, so just note that a little bit certainly goes a long way, but it was such a great experience, you guys. But let's go ahead and rinse this all out so we can start the deep conditioner. So this is how my hair looks after washing the shampoo out, and it is just full of hydration and moisture. I absolutely loved it. So let's move on to the Pumpkin Mint Deep Conditioner. Some of the main ingredients are aloe juice, peppermint leaf extract, horsetail leaf extract, pumpkin seed oil, and shea butter. You guys, this stuff was so moisturizing once again. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing me say that, but I was really surprised at just how much slip this gave me after I had it in my hair. I mean, it wasn't even sitting in my hair at this point. I was just applying it, and my hair was just bouncing back. Like, the curls were just like, yes honey. Like, I definitely sectioned off my hair to add this as well. I sectioned off my hair in half and I just added it, and once I had it completely in my hair, I left it in for 30 minutes. So I was completely shocked. After the 30 minutes, my hair just felt like butter. Like, everything just felt so healthy. My curls looked like they just drank a tall glass of water. So I was really loving how my hair felt. So again, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this out so we can get to styling. Alright, so this is how my hair looked after I washed and deep conditioned, and it is full of life, ready to be styled, you guys, and I was loving how it felt. So I'm just doing a side part and sectioning off my hair into small sections so that I can start working on my hair. I'm gonna go ahead with the Kalahari leave-in, and this is, it's a powerful moisturizer, hydrates and softens, melts away knots for easy detangling, promotes manageability, healthier hair growth and retention, and it's for all hair types, and it works great for porous, curly, kinky, very dry hair types in need of hydration. So basically, if your hair is dry, this is for you. So it's pretty creamy. The smell, I can't even pinpoint it. It just smells like a vacation. That's all I can say. And at this point, that's the closest I'm gonna get. So I'm taking it. Some leave-ins really have to take some time to seep into your hair strands. This just gulps it right up. It's so moisturizing. So I'm actually just going to twist that up for now. And I'm gonna put the leave-in on all of the sections, and then I'm gonna come back and that's where we're gonna start doing this three-strand twist out. Alright, so just to seal in some moisture, I'm adding the organic oil blend, and this has olive, coconut, jojoba, grapeseed, safflower, avocado, castor oil, and sweet almond oils. I really did like it again because you can just apply it straight to your scalp, so I applied it to my parts as well as the length of my hair and my scalp, and I really like this because it's not like super greasy or it doesn't weigh down my hair, and it just helps to lock in that moisture. So we're just adding icing on a curl, and this is basically just like an added level of moisture. This has mango butter, shea butter, coconut oil, and avocado oil in it, and this is a whipped hair butter, and it just melts right into your hands. And as you can see, I'm just rubbing out my skin and it's like disappearing. It's super moisturizing, and it smells like a dream. I really like this stuff, and it just helps me give that extra boost of moisture. I picked this brush up like honestly over a year ago, but I never used it on my channel, and I was like, you know what, it's time I just open the box. Like, why do I have this brush just sitting here for no reason? And you guys, like, I love it so much. It detangles like a breeze, and it's just so gentle because I know like I'm late to this, but it's just so gentle because the brush basically moves with your hair. And I'm so sad that I am just now trying it. So to style my hair, I'm using Twisted Definition. This is a twisting cream, and it says it works great for type 3 and 4 kinky thick textures, and it's great for twist out styles and adding moisture. And it has aloe juice and marshmallow root in it, as well as MANUKA honey. So I just put this into my hair, definitely added moisture, and it doesn't feel sticky or add any sort of gross residue, which I really like. So let's get to this three-strand twist out. So this did take me a while off camera to figure out, but I found that the best way to do it was to start braiding first. So I have my 3 sections, and I'm just going to start braiding at the beginning of the three-strand twist out. That just helped to lock things into place at the root. And then what I'm going to do is you're going to take the outside piece and wrap it around the 2 sections. So you're going to take the outermost piece and you're wrapping it around. It's really hard to explain, you guys, but just watch what I'm doing. So I take that and wrap around the 2 pieces, and then I switch my hands, and now I'm taking that outside piece and wrapping that around those other 2 pieces. And you're just going to continue doing that until you get to the bottom. And I'll show you guys what I do once I get to the bottom and I don't really have much more hair to work with. This was a huge learning curve for me because braiding just comes naturally to me, so sometimes I had to stop what I was doing and really stare at my hands because it automatically went to braiding. So definitely you want to take your time if this is your first time doing it, just so that you can get the hang of it and that you don't end up actually braiding your hair. So now that I've gotten to here, I'm just going to start 2-strand twisting because I don't really have enough strands to continue the 3-strand. Alright guys, so let's look at it again. So I'm adding some Twisted Definition once again, and then I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections, and then I start braiding. I braided down about 2 or 3 times before I started the twist action. So once you've done braiding, you're taking that outward piece and you're bringing it over. It really depends on how you want your twist to go. So actually it kind of looks like I'm bringing my inward piece outward, but basically what you're going to do is you're taking one hand and you're bringing it over. And once I was bringing it over, I kind of twisted the hair before I brought it over, if that makes sense. Like I kind of swirled it around my fingers before I ended up twisting, if you guys can see that. I'm going to slow it down. Hopefully you guys get what I'm saying. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have gone ahead and done a lot of these off camera, but girl, remind me to never do these again. It is work. I feel like I've done a whole arm workout, and just the focus that I've had to have to do these twists. So far, this is how they're looking. I don't know, you guys. I really don't know. I'm not sure if I have faith in myself this time, but I'm just gonna keep on going. As I said, I'm trying to give you guys what you want. So let's go ahead and do these two sections on camera so you guys can just see my downfall. But you guys, like, I wanted to quit so many times during this process because I just feel like I'm not getting it. One minute I feel like I got it, and then I switch and I'm back to like a hot mess. So yeah. Alright, so I finally finished my twist. You guys have no idea how good this felt once I was done, but I'm gonna flip over my hair and put it in a pineapple just because I want to stretch these twists and give it some more length once I'm taking them down. So I definitely went ahead and did that and just used my satin scrunchie, tied that up, and then I put on this beautiful bonnet. And if you guys would like to purchase one, I have a coupon code in the description box down below. Alright, so I actually waited 2 days to take these down, but I am finally ready to take them down, and this is how it's looking. As you can tell, me pineappling my hair definitely made it stretch. So I'm just adding some oil to my hands to minimize frizz, and I'm just going to add this to the rest of my hair, and then we're just going to get to unraveling these twists, you guys. So I just basically unraveled in the opposite direction. I added them, but I did find that the ends were a little bit tangled because I definitely added or borrowed hair from different sections. So you definitely want to make sure that once you start using your 3 strands, you continue that all the way down until you get to the bottom, and then you can just 2-strand. But this definition, you guys, was amazing. So I'm just gonna continue doing that, and I'm gonna fast forward this because you guys don't need to be sitting here watching me do this, but I'm gonna fast forward and show you guys what it looks like once I've taken them all down. Alright, so this is how it looked. I was absolutely in love, you guys. I had so much definition. I was absolutely loving this. So let's go ahead and start separating these coils so that we can get some volume going. So I just wanted to show you guys how much volume I had after I separated. This is the side that I separated, and this is the side that isn't, and already it looks so cute without picking. So let's go ahead and finish off the separating so we can get to picking it out to see what it actually looks like. So this is what it looks like without picking, and I just love that I had so much volume already. But let's go ahead. You guys know I love big hair and I can't get away without picking, so I just used my pick to give me some more volume, picked it out until I shaped it around my face, and I liked how it looked. Alright guys, so I framed my face a little bit more and did my edges off camera, but overall I will say that I absolutely love this entire line from Curls Dynasty. My favorite two products are definitely the shampoo and the twisted definition. My hair just has been brought back to life and I'm just loving this definition. I really like how it turned out and I just can't wait to do another one. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me, and if you guys like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure that you're subscribed. But for now, I will say toodles, but I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.